Today, I'll show you how to use a manual breast pump correctly. First, wash your hands and ensure all pump parts are clean and dry. Sit in a comfortable, relaxed position. Center the flange over your nipple so it fits properly. Your nipple should move freely in the tunnel without rubbing the sides. Gently squeeze the handle repeatedly to create suction. Start with short, light squeezes to trigger letdown. Once milk begins flowing, use slower, deeper squeezes. Continue pumping until milk flow slows, then switch breasts. Manual pumps allow you to control the speed and suction. If you feel pain, reduce pressure or reposition the flange. Manual pumping is simple, quiet, and very effective when done correctly.